Hello बच्चों, namaste. Let's learn the letter A. First, I will let you all know the colors that I'm going to use. We have purple, red, gray, and green. So we're going to use purple for A. The letter A, a capital letter A, and a small letter A. Alright, so A for apple. A for apple. We color it with red color. A for apple. A for apple. Okay, then A for alligator. Let's color A for alligator. A for alligator. We're using color green color. Then we're going to use gray color for an ant. A for ant. A for ant. We're calling the ant gray color. A for ant. Alright, so now we have few letters over here. So let's find the letter A, because today we have learned the letter A. We have over here, that is letter A. Another letter, can you find it? That's it. Yeah, that is the letter A. That is a capital letter. So this one is a letter A, but it's a small letter. Any letters can you see? Can you help me find a letter A? Yes, over here. This is the capital letter A. And over here too, we have another one, a capital letter A. Can you find another one? If there is, yes, this is the last one, a capital letter A. Yes, thank you kids. Love you. Do subscribe my channel.